fixing a problem for good, the 5 whys. If you're in business long enough, eventually you're gonna find problems. But no matter the scope of your issues, there are always ways to go about fixing them. If you're gonna fix the problem, make sure to fix it for good. Nobody wants to constantly deal with reoccurring issues. But to really fix a problem, first you have to understand why you are having this problem. And finding the cause can sometimes be a challenge. At the CXCO Academy, we use a proven approach called the 5 whys. This method is remarkably simple. When a problem occurs, you break it down to its root cause by asking why 5 times. Ultimately, this leads us to discovering the reasons the problem are occurring. The process is easy to follow and can have a real positive impact on your business. First, assemble your team. Define the problem, ask why. Then, ask why 4 more times. You need to know when to stop. Address the root causes, identify and implement an action plan, and monitor the measures. So the next time you're faced with problems, try the 5 whys to help you uncover the root of the problem. We are sure that it'll have a positive outcome. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.